Buzz, buzz, buzz. Come and see Animal Friends with you and me. Hi, friends. It's me, Mimi. Let's meet some animal friends today. Look, a dog. Can you say dog? Yes. Woof, woof, dog. Now look, a cat. Can you say cat? Great job. Meow, meow, cat. And here, a duck. Can you say duck? Wonderful! Quack, quack, duck! Let's say them together. Dog, cat, duck. You did it! Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Mimi B will see you soon.